वेलकम टू इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट फेडरेशन, वेलकम टू दुबई। वी आर इन अरब प्लास्ट। अरब प्लास्ट एक दुनिया का बहुत बड़ा प्लास्टिक पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री का एग्जीबिशन होता है। वैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट स्टॉल। तो हाइथान एक चाइनीज बेस्ड कंपनी है, इंजेक्शन मोल्ड मशीनरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। आप देख सकते हैं कि ये सारे प्रोडक्ट जो मार्केट में काफ़ी ज़्यादा चलते हैं, आपके चेयर्स हो गए, टेबल टॉप हो गया, कबोर्ड हो गया, ये सारा, ये सोफा सेट हो गया, ये सारे प्रोडक्ट एक ही मशीन से बनते हैं यहाँ पे। उन्होंने यहाँ पे 3-4 टाइप के अलग अलग मशीन्स लगाए हैं एंड उनका प्रेजेंटेशन, उनका इंफॉर्मेशन, उनके टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज यहाँ पे जो है वो वर्ल्ड वाइड यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे देशों के लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, ट्रेडर। तो ऐसी एक चाइना बेस्ड कंपनी है हाइथियान एंड विच हैज़ द प्रेजेंस इन टू 130 कंट्री। तो उनके अधिकारी यहाँ पे है, मैनेजर यहाँ पे है, एंड वी विल नो फ्रॉम देम। वेलकम टू इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट फेडरेशन सर।
Thank you. Regarding Haitian is the top injection molding machinery in the brand, selling highest number of machine in a year worldwide. So we have presence over 136 countries. So we make all the hydraulic, servo hydraulic, hybrid and full electric machines.
Okay.
And we have many of our customers are using several into automation, automobile industry, medical industry, household industry, and whatever you name for the plastic injection molding business, we have a solution. So what middle is like, we have around 73% market share in this region in UAE. We are the top leading company selling the machines to top plastic industries here.
Okay. You are selling this machinery here. What about Indian market? You are also selling in India?
No, we are not taking here. Indian market, the separate team is here.
Okay.
And we have factories in India also. We have 3 factories in India. There's a different team which is handling.
Can you please tell us about this machinery? What is this setup for?
Yeah. This is a newly launched 5th generation Mars series hydraulic machine. Okay. So this is used for making all the injection products like this boxes, the transparent boxes. So anything which fit into the size of machine. And this is a semi-hybrid machine, providing energy consumption in the production side.
This speed is also, I think, higher than previous generation.
Yes, of course. The speed, the accuracy, the quality, everything is entirely new.
So what is the capacity and of this machine?
This machine is a 160 ton capacity.
Okay. Okay. And per day, how many pieces or how many products?
For example, you will get around 3,400 pieces.
3,400 pieces of this product.
This product
by this machine. What is the cost of this machine?
Cost is not yet revealed. This is a new machine launched, so we are yet waiting for the cost.
Okay, but approximately $30,000-$40,000.
Yeah, it costs around $30,000 to $35,000.
$30,000 to $35,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you already sold this machine?
This is already sold. Yes. Sold.
Okay.
All machines are sold.
Okay. All machines are sold.
We are coming on to this machine. This is a 380 ton H Pro machine, which is used for any thin ball products, thin ball articles like caps and closures, the food containers, the yogurt containers, kinds of whatever products need a high speed application. This series of machine can be used. That's called the 380 H Pro.
Okay.
H Pro machine.
So basically, you just change the mold and that you can produce
in any parts.
Right.
So coming on to this machine, this is a 470 ton machine.
Okay.
It's a Mars 3 series machine with a European spec in it.
Okay.
So currently we are running innovative material collaborated with Borouge
Okay.
This is a 100% recycled material. Borouge,
Recycled material.
Yeah, Borouge developed this material.
Okay. Right. So you are saying कि raw material is produced in Bharuch.
Yeah.
And you are selling it in whole world.
Yeah.
That's right. So you can see the friends, this kind of applications are there. इंडिया का भी काफ़ी अच्छा प्रेजेंस इस मार्केट में है.
Yes.
है ना, रॉ मटेरियल है और बाकी सारे प्रोडक्ट. तो ये मशीनरी जो है ये भी आप इंडिया में भी बेचते होंगे?
इंडिया में इधर से नहीं, चाइना से डाल
चाइना से डालते हैं.
इंडिया में हमको फैक्ट्री है.
फैक्ट्री है आपका, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री है.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री है.
Okay. Manufacturing of what? I mean,
Injection molding machines.
Injection molding.
Yeah,
machine.
injection molding machineries, molds, robots, everything you can get from India.
Right. So how many machines you might have sold in India?
I don't know because I take care of this region only.
Right.
The UAE
But
region.
then in Middle East,
Middle East we have sold around like 300,000 machines.
300,000 machines.
Yes.
My God, that's too much.
Too much. When you compare in Saudi and all, the
Right.
market is too big.
Too big.
Yeah. Saudi.
Okay, so there are small companies who must be buying these machines and setting up a business and then selling,
Yeah,
producing this
definitely.
product.
Yeah.
Right.
Lots of. Even for small, medium, and even large scale companies also. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
What do you think? I mean, whole world is talking about global warming and they are moving towards ecological product. So let's say you are into plastic industry. So do you see any impact or any trend on that?
Trend on, yeah, definitely. The petrochemical companies are developing lots of different grades, which is sustainable, which is
Okay.
biodegradable. So,
Okay.
and in this region, they are putting a ban on one-time use plastic also, plastic bags,
Okay.
kind of things.
Right.
So, they're developing lot of sustainable products.
Okay.
That's why they are bringing. They bought this material, this recycled material. So
Recycled
they are
material.
they are like telling everyone to use recycled material.
So what is the growth rate of this industry of you are saying? I mean, what is the growth rate of this industry?
Here you can take every year like 15% growth.
50%.
15 to 20% growth.
Okay, 15 to 20% growth.
Because this market is very small. Very
Right.
small market.
Okay. And do you see Indian manufacturers into this industry?
A lot.
A lot. Manufacturers.
Yeah, Milacron.
From which region?
From India.
Okay. How are they placed against this kind of giants?
Mostly the important thing is after sales service.
Okay.
So they are not able to provide since they don't have an office, direct office here. Why we are successful? Only because of after sales service.
Correct. Yeah, that's what I mean. The major part is your presentation, the setup, the brochure, the technology, the clarity, and the explanation of that. I think that is the best part which I saw. I think Indian people need to work on that more. And as you said, after sales services obviously because client will be dependent on you. Right. Okay. So thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us information.
Thank you.
ये लोग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं, उसका मतलब इंजेक्शन मोल्डिंग के मशीन बनाते हैं और यहाँ पे बेचते हैं. अगर आपको भी इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है, वी कैन कनेक्ट विद दिस कंपनी. थैंक यू.